Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write an FHA home loan application letter. This letter serves as a personal statement to your lender explaining your intent to apply for an FHA-backed mortgage. You begin your FHA home loan application letter by including your full name, current address, contact information, and the date. You then address the loan officer at the mortgage lender company with their official mailing details. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter, followed by a formal salutation to the loan officer. After that, write, "I am writing to formally apply for an FHA home loan to assist in purchasing a single-family home located in city, state. I am currently employed as a job title with company name where I have worked for the past number of years. My current monthly income is amount, and I have maintained a steady employment and rental history. The home I am interested in is listed at purchase price, and I am prepared to make a down payment in accordance with FHA guidelines. I am confident that I meet the eligibility criteria for the FHA loan program, and I am committed to fulfilling all responsibilities as a borrower. Enclosed are my financial documents, including pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and identification as required for your review. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to working with you through the loan approval process. Sincerely, your name." This is our sample FHA home loan application letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents your financial situation, maintains a respectful and formal tone, and shows your readiness for homeownership. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective financial and business communication.